Hi, welcome to Mr. Otter Studio. Today I'm going to show you a really easy way to draw a foot. This is definitely for beginners. And this is if you're drawing a foot from the side, and it would be like the inside of a foot. So you can see the big toe first, if that makes sense. So you're going to start by drawing a triangle. Oh, and also I'm going to be using a washable marker just so I can paint some things in. You can use this if you want. You just need a little bit of water and a paintbrush and some kind of water-based washable marker. So once you draw your triangle, back to the lesson, now you can draw two circles. So 1 and 2. So this is going to be the heel and this is like the ball of the foot. You can go ahead and just like draw your line kind of around them if you want. And then the front toe, something that's important, and I pointed this out in my last tutorial, but the video is really bad, is the toes don't go like this. They're not like straight. There's a knuckle, like there's a bend in a toe. Kind of like our fingers, there's like a knuckle. So let's go ahead and draw our first toe, and it's just gonna come right out of here, and we're gonna come up and down, and then just put that toe in. I'll put the nail in just for fun, because why not? And then if you want to, you can draw the other kind of knuckles behind it, kind of showing that they're going away. Draw like the top of the foot, the leg. Usually it's gonna come in a little bit at the ankle. And that's a really easy way to draw a foot. And this toe, I feel like it's lifting off the ground for some reason. So maybe this foot's just facing away from us, but it should come down to the ground. Just so you know, like it shouldn't be up floating unless you're like lifting it up because you're scared of touching something with it. But that's it. I know that was really easy. Maybe you're looking for something realistic. This is more just for beginners. You're trying to figure out how to draw a foot and just to kind of get some things down. I know for a lot of people, they always forget about that knuckle. That's really the main reason I wanted to show you this today. I'm just painting some quick washes in with my paintbrush because it's fun. And maybe even like a shadow coming out from under this foot with its lifted toes. All right, now what I want you to do, now that we kind of went over this really easy way, now what I want you to do is really look at feet and try to draw them. And maybe draw 10 different feet. Also, you can see my paper's kind of buckling. I used a little too much water, but you know, if it does this, you can actually just press it with another book, or you can even use a clothes iron and iron it flat if you want to. So thank you so much for drawing with me. Have a wonderful day.